in the mail that we have sent out to you consists of 7 slides, of which you have to edit the first 6 slides. The first slide is basically for us to know about you and your background. The first thing that you see on the slide is name of the idea. So you have to download this presentation on your laptop or desktop and then edit the same presentation. You do not have to make a new presentation. On the first slide where name of the idea is written, you have to edit out the whole part and write the name of your idea. For example, if your idea is about a solar power plant, so you will write solar power plant there. Then coming to team members, you will write the name of team members. Then you will write the name of team leader. Then you will write the name of school. Then the district. After that, there is a section for broad theme of the idea. You might know that broad theme of the idea is one of the 6 or 7 themes that we have given to you to select. So if your broad theme is energy harnessing, you have to write that there. Please do not edit anything that we have written there. You do not have to erase out the headings. You just have to write the details in front of the headings. Mamoon, can we go to the next slide? So this was about the first slide. The second slide is basically an introduction of your idea. So the part where you can see content written, you have to edit that part and write the introduction of your idea. What is your idea about? What are you trying to achieve through it? That will be the introduction of your idea. We recommend you to write everything in points because points are always easier to understand and to read than paragraphs. Please write everything in 3 to 4 points. The introduction of your idea will come here. Moving on to the genesis of the idea. The genesis of the idea is basically what is your motivation of that idea? Where did you get the motivation to work on this idea? How did this idea come to your mind? You have to write about that in the lower section, that is genesis of the idea, again in 2 to 3 points. I hope the slide 2 is clear to all of you. Mamoon, now objectives are what do you want to establish through this idea that you're working on? Goals to be established are how do you think the idea would affect the people around you for whom you are working? You have already taken up this idea from around you because you probably see some problems. So, in goals to be established, you have to explain how that will affect the people around you. How will it solve the problem that you have been facing? You will have to write in points so that it is easily readable and understandable. Mamoon, next. Coming to the fourth slide, it is about the methodology or the scope of work. Here, basically, you have to write again in points. How are you going to do the work? How are you going to work towards your idea? What are you going to do? This will probably contain the flow chart of your work. How will you start? Then what will you do? Then what is the next thing that you're going to do? Everything will come in methodology. Please write everything in points so that it is easily readable and understandable. Mamoon, next. Proof of concept. Proof of concept is basically what we need to see here is how you are working on your idea. This is where we will see how your idea is getting converted into a real world thing, into a real prototype. So, for example, if you are working on some software code, you can put that up here. Or if you're working on some hardware idea, if you're working on some hardware system, you can put up your CAD drawings or your circuit drawings here. You can also use videos or animations to depict how your prototype is going to work. So methodology and proof of concept are two very important points in the whole presentation. Mamoon, next. This is the last slide that you have to edit. The first section here is deliverables. Now we have previously discussed about the goals and the objectives. Deliverables is very different to that. Objectives is what we want to establish through our idea on which we are working on. But deliverables is an exact description of what you will be giving to us as a prototype. If that is a software or a hardware, how will that work? What will be its features? In deliverables, you have to clearly write in detail what is your prototype or what is your product that you are going to offer us. In the timeline of the project, you have to describe how much time you will take to work on the prototype that you're working on, what time frame will be there for you to complete the whole project. And lastly, the estimated budget is for us to know that how much monetary investment will go into your project, how much money do we have to invest in your prototype as a whole. In the estimated budget, please take care that you include everything, all the cost of the materials, all the cost of production in estimated budget. Can we go to the next slide? So the last slide is the thank you slide, and obviously you do not have to edit anything here. You have to only edit the first 6 slides. I think I have explained everything.